Hi everyone, in this video we will be understanding about market basket analysis. So let's get started. What is market basket analysis? Market basket analysis is a data mining technique that is used to uncover the purchase patterns in any retail setting. The goal of market basket analysis is to understand how customers behave and identifying the relationship between the items that people buy. For example, people who buy green tea are also likely to buy honey. So, market basket analysis would quantitatively establish that there is a relationship between green tea and honey. The same goes for bread, butter, and jam. Now, how does market basket analysis work? So, market basket analysis is modeled on association rule mining. That is, it is based upon the if then construct. For example, if a customer buys bread, then he is likely to buy butter as well. The association rule mining and the association rules are usually represented in the following format. Now, let's understand some of the key terminologies in the association rule mining. The first thing that we need to understand is antecedent. Antecedents are the items or item sets that are found within the data. In simpler words, it's the if component written on the left hand side. In the above example, the bread was an antecedent. The next term is the consequent. Consequent is an item or item set that is found in combination with the antecedent. It's the then component written on the right hand side. So in the above example, the consequent was the butter. Now, what are the different types of market basket analysis? So the market basket analysis technique can be categorized into following types. First is the descriptive market basket analysis. Next is predictive market basket analysis, and the last one is differential market basket analysis. Now let's understand them one by one. So descriptive market basket analysis is a type that only derives insights on the past data, and it is the most frequently used approach. The analysis here does not make any predictions but simply rates the association between the products using statistical techniques. It is based upon unsupervised learning. The next type of market basket analysis is the predictive market basket analysis. This type uses supervised learning models, which is classification and regression. It essentially aims to mimic the market to analyze what causes what to happen. For example, buying an extended warranty is more likely to follow the purchase of an iPhone. Essentially, it considers that item purchased in a sequence to determine cross-selling. The next type of market basket analysis is the differential market basket analysis. This type of analysis is beneficial tool for competitor analysis. It compares purchase history between stores, between seasons, between two time periods, between different days of a week to find interesting patterns in consumer behavior. Let's understand this with the help of an example. It can help you determine why some users prefer to purchase the same product with the same price on Amazon versus the Flipkart. The answer can simply be that the Amazon reseller has more warehouses and the delivery is faster, or maybe something more profound like user experience. Now let's understand some of the benefits of market basket analysis. Now, despite being a three-decade-old technique, still market basket analysis is helping in finding valuable solutions and insights both in brick and mortar and e-commerce sectors. It helps in increasing the market share, and it helps in understanding the consumer behavior patterns. It can be also used in designing the UI UX of a online application. The optimization of in-store operations can be improved with the help of market basket analysis, and it helps in optimizing the inventory storage in warehouses. It also helps in determining which products must go with others, and it helps in defining the product lines. It also helps in shaping the campaigns and promotions. It helps in providing recommendations to the customers based upon their previous watch history. For example, a person who has rated Money Heist highly could also be interested in seeing any other high crime series. That's all in this video. Thank you and happy learning.